Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to allow or block remote assistance connections in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Remote assistance allows another person to view or control your PC remotely to help troubleshoot issues. Unlike remote desktop, it requires user permission before a connection is established, making it ideal for tech support or assisting friends. How to enable or disable remote assistance in Windows 11. Using System Properties, press Windows key +R, type System Properties remote.exe, and hit Enter. In the Remote tab, check, Enable, or uncheck, Disable, allow remote assistance connections to this computer. Click OK to apply the changes. Using Registry Editor, press Windows key +R, type regedit, and hit Enter. Navigate to Modify the F-allow to get help D-word value. Set to 1 to enable. Set to 0 to disable. Close Registry Editor and restart your PC. Difference between Remote Desktop and Remote Assistance. Both use Remote Desktop Protocol, RDP, but serve different purposes. Remote Desktop allows full control over a remote PC, logging in as if you were physically present. Best for remote work or server management. Remote Assistance lets a helper view and assist with troubleshooting but requires permission from the user. Ideal for tech support or helping friends. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.